Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, you guys tell me, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Okay, so I am again back with another video. In this video, you are going to learn something from me. Yes, you are going to learn something from me. As you can see, I am in my kitchen. And kitchen is all about cooking and making something delicious. So today I will be teaching you how to make coffee. Yes, you guys heard me right, how to make coffee. I know, like, you might be thinking right now that coffee? Who doesn't know how to make coffee? It's a very easy process. Everybody knows it. I bet everyone does. But everyone doesn't know how to make a good coffee. And there is a difference between making a coffee and making a good coffee. So today you are going to learn how to make a good tasty coffee with me, a coffee like restaurant. So for that you have to watch this video till the end. But before we start the video, if you guys are watching me for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And for those who have already subscribed to my channel, please like and share my video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, my process of making coffee is very easy. All you need is a cup, a baby spoon, which is good to stir, sugar, milk, a little bit of water, and last but not the least, coffee, a packet of coffee. I prefer using the packet one because when you buy the one you get in a jar, after sometimes the coffee gets sticky and wet, because when you open the jar and close it, open close, then the moist air gets inside the jar and it makes the coffee quite sticky. So I don't like that. That's why I use this one, the packet ones. You can make 2 to 4 cups from here, and it's just 10 rupees. So I prefer using Nescafe 10 rupees coffee. First of all, take out the coffee in a cup. I'm using half of the packet, but if you guys want a strong coffee and if you like strong coffee, you can add more. 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can skip sugar as well if you don't want. And 1 teaspoon of water. And mix it properly until it gets a creamy and a thick form. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope my video will be helpful for some of you. And you see, the good thing is that now you don't have to go to expensive restaurant and spend thousands of rupees in just a coffee, when you can make it in your home, make for your friends, your families, and have a good time together. So yeah, that is the main motive of this video. And as you guys know, I have just started my journey and it's been 1 month already, and I am getting such positive reactions from people, and I've got 500 plus subscribers in just a month, and that's a huge thing for me. For a beginner, for a normal person like me, it's so huge for me. Thank you so much. And you know, when you get support from your family, your friends, your relative, then what else do you need? So yeah, thank you so much for watching once again. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, love yourself, love your family, and I love you all. Bye.